All right, so today we're looking at statistics. So I'm going to learn how to calculate the mode of a grouped set of data. All right. Previously, we found the mean of our data, the median. All right. Now we have to find the mode. Okay. So, all right. So this is here we are. All right. This is the formula for the mode. All right. Let me just zoom in a bit. All right. LM represents the lower limit of the model class, all right? If we want to find the model class, we're just going to have to look for which class has got the highest frequency, all right? Which class has got the highest frequency? I should have changed that, all right? So the position of the model class is the one highest frequency, right? So just insert our table here. All right. So with the mode, we're not going to even need to calculate the cumulative frequency. All right. The frequency is just enough. Okay. So let's see what is our model class. We can see the class with the highest frequency is this class. All right. It has a frequency of 12. All right. Yeah, let me just highlight the whole class. All right. It has a frequency of 12, the highest. So that is our model class. All right. Now, as the formula states, we need to know the lower limit of the model class, right? So to get the lower limit of the model class, right, you're just going to say, so you're going to take this 20 over here from the preceding class and add it with our with this 21 over here. So the lower limit, right, is going to be 20 plus 21, right? We're just taking the average of the lower values, right? That will give us 20.5, right? 20.5. So that's the lower limit of the model class. What is FM is the frequency of the model class. The frequency is 12. Right? What is the width of the model class? All right. So we've got our lower limit. Okay. Lower, it's upper limit and that's lower limit. Right, our upper limit, if you remember earlier on, all right, work out, we're calculating the median. We found our upper limit. Oh, this is a new class, so yeah. Our upper limit, we're going to get it by adding this 30 here and this 31. So 30 plus 31, that is 61, all right? 61 divided by 2, that's 30.5, all right? So it's going to be our upper limit minus our lower limit. Okay, so that's going to be 30.5 minus 20.5. All right. And our class width is 10. All right. Okay. F sub naught m minus 1 is the frequency of the class before the model class, right? So it's going to be 4 here. All right. Okay. So that's going to be 4. Let me just mark it with this color so we can be able to identify it. All right, so it's going to be 4. right? Then this is the frequency after the model class, right? Which is 9, right? Frequency after them is 9. Right. And the total frequency, if we remember when we totaled this up, we got 40. Okay. 8 plus 4. Okay. 8 plus 4 plus 12. 8 plus 4 plus 12 plus 9 plus 7, which is 40. Right. So N represents our total frequency, which is 40. Right, so now we've got all the values that we need. All right. We have the lower limit of our model class. All right. We have the frequency of our model class. We have our class width. We have the frequency before the model class, frequency after the model class, and we have our total frequency. So we can put it into the formula, right? So we're going to say mode equals our lower limit, 20.5 plus, all right, insert a fraction. All right, so we have 20 plus the width is 10. Oops. 10 open brackets. The frequency of our model class is 12. So the 12 minus the frequency before the model class is 4. All right. Divided by, in our denominator, we have 2 divided by the frequency of the model class, which is 12. 12 minus the frequency before the model class minus the frequency after the model class. All right, let me zoom in. All right. So maybe let me just attach colors to this so that we know where everything is in the formula. All right. So here our 20.5, which is our lower limit, 20.5. All right. Then we have our 12, which is our FM. All right. Here. All right. And also remember, we're going to multiply it by 2. Let's give it a color too here. No, it doesn't want to get a color. Right. So that's our 12 there. Our class width here is this 10. All right. Our frequency before our model class is the 4 here and here. And then our frequency after the model class is here. All right. So remember, we deal with operations in the parentheses first. So 12 minus 4, that is 8. 8 times 10, that is 80. All right. So we have 20.5 plus, all right, excuse me. right? So in our numerator, we have 80. Our denominator, 2 times 12 is 24. 24 minus 4, that is 20. 20 minus 9, that is 11. Right? And then we're going to say 80 divided by 11. Get 7.2727. There's two sevens keep on recurring. So we'll say 20.5 plus 7.3. Right? That's going to give us 20.5 plus 7.3. That's going to give us um, 27.8. And that is our mode. 27.8. All right. So unlike with the medium, where you have to use the cumulative frequency to locate the position of the median class, here you're going to just use, you just see which class has the highest frequency. That will be your model class. All right. You won't need, there'll be no need for any cumulative frequency. All right. Here, the only thing that we need is the frequency before our model class, the frequency after our model class, and the frequency of our model class. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.